Hey, you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. I have had a hard time balancing my catering life, my life. I've just had a hard time balancing content on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and catering and working my job. So I've been a little bit MIA, but I'm coming back shortly. I'm looking for an editor right now. And when I find an editor, it's over. It's so over because I can shoot the content. It's the editing part that I can't like do. It's just so time consuming. Like I kind of timed myself to see how long it takes me to edit videos, and that's why I just can't do it. But anyway, welcome back to my channel. And today we are making a lemon loaf syrup because we're going to make a lemon loaf matcha latte. I'm excited about this one. I went to Blank Street today and I had their lemon loaf matcha, and it was okay. You know, it was okay. But can I make it better? I absolutely think I can. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a lemon loaf matcha. So good. And if you haven't done so already, I need you to purchase a Millionaire Matcha. We launched a couple months ago and it is out now. It's one of the best matchas, not just because it's my brand, but I truly love it. It has an authentic taste. It's sourced from Japan, so you're not getting any fake stuff. And it goes like, honestly, the matcha quality matters when you're ordering your matcha. So, um, everything is below in the description on how to purchase your Millionaire Matcha, and I'm gonna show you right now how to make a lemon loaf syrup. We're gonna start off with 1 cup of sugar. We're gonna do 1 cup of water, and then we're gonna zest 1 whole lemon. So I'm gonna do that right now. 1 tablespoon of lemon custard. I'm gonna do like a hefty tablespoon. A half a tablespoon of lemon juice. Now we're gonna turn our fryer on and we're gonna allow this to simmer for about 15 minutes. So all this flavor, I think this is gonna be so good. I'm excited to really try this. First time making it. So I hope it tastes well. It's mixing it up really well so that everything can be incorporated. And like I said, I'm gonna let this go for 15 minutes. Okay, so now that this has cooked for about 15 minutes, we're gonna add some butter extract. I'm gonna do about a teaspoon first. I'm not sure if it needs a teaspoon or a half a teaspoon. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a half a teaspoon. I should have tested this recipe before, but I'm testing as I'm going along. Because sometimes, I know what I'm doing, and I'm pretty sure that this is gonna come out delicious because it already tastes good. But yeah, let's try with a half a teaspoon of butter extract. And you want to put the extract in, the butter extract, with the fire off. So like we're done with this already. The fire is off. You don't want to burn the butter extract. So we're mixing this up, and then we're gonna allow this to cool off for about another 20 minutes, and then we're gonna transfer it to a jar. But I'm going to strain this to get like all of the. I don't know. Should I leave the lemon zest in this or not? I'm not too sure. I may leave it. I may not. We'll see in the next clip. But this is really good. Loaf and my lemon loaf matcha latte. All right, you guys. So I just came back from a 20-minute run outside. So I'm excited to treat myself to this lemon loaf matcha latte. So this is going to be a cold whisk lemon loaf matcha latte. And what cold whisk means is that when we mix our matcha, we're going to use oat milk instead of water. So typically we would use water to mix the matcha powder, the millionaire matcha powder. We're going to use oat milk to whisk it. So this will be a cold whisk lemon loaf matcha latte. We have our lemon loaf syrup here. This tastes so delicious. I'm going to shake it up. So I think I'm going to make a lemon loaf pound cake situation maybe this weekend to pair with this syrup. I'm just shaking it up. But let me make this matcha because I'm so excited to have it. I've been dreaming about this matcha all day because I was on the phone earlier with my best friend that lives in California and I was helping her make her matcha and I wanted one so bad. So now it's time to make mine. Lemon loaf matcha latte. And I'm going to give this a good stir so I can get all that syrup at the bottom. Look at this green color. So good. Mm. This one right here, I don't miss when it comes to these syrups. I promise you, nobody's making syrups like me. Cheers. And if you haven't done so already, order your millionaire matcha so you can make some wonderful matcha latte drinks at home. You got drinks at home. You don't got to go to Starbucks. You don't got to go to a matcha place. I'm your girl. I'm going to help you make all the wonderful matcha latte drinks. And I have a quality matcha brand sourced from Japan.